Okay, quick review. If you have x to the fifth, you need roots
to solve it.
If you have 5 to the x, you need logarithms. So logarithms are for finding the variable exponent. Quick reminder that the base of the log is the base of the exponent. Then you go across the equal sign. Common log is log base 10. Natural log. What's natural about it? Well, wait for calculus. Incidentally, yeah, E and also radians, basically, there's no real need for them until you get to calculus, and then they make some things in calculus and beyond that way easier, and that's why we spend all this time messing with them. All right. Notice that if you could type 3 to the log base 3 of 82 into the calculator, which we will very soon, we will be able to figure out what exponent turns 3 into 82. 3 to the 4th is 81. 3 to the 4 point something should be 82. The ones we're doing on the page here are all things you can do without a calculator, and I expect you to not use a calculator. So, base of the log is the base of the exponent. Switch the other two things. Log outputs an exponent. Base of the log is the base of the exponential version. Remember that negative exponents are for the 1 over. They're for the reciprocals. Do not write log base 10, just write log. All pretty straightforward. This is asking 4 to what power gives you 16. And this is asking for what power of 10 gives you 100. Same thing. What exponent gives you square roots? 1/2. Exponent for flipping and squaring. Negative for the flipping, 2 for squaring. What exponent turns a number into 1? 0. Log base anything of 1 is 0. Here's a hint for this one without the calculator. We'll turn 4 into 2 first. Then you can cube the 2. So the exponent for square root is 1/2, and then cubing to a grand total of 3/2. Square root. The roots are the denominators. Fractional exponents give roots. Speaking of which, what exponent turns 8 into 2? Well, cube root. Okay, looking at this, 3 to the 3rd is 27. 1/2 is the square root exponent. combine the exponents. Okay, learn to think about it that way. All right, what have we got? A word problem. Mumble, mumble, mumble. Time, little t. Temperature, capital T. Fine. We got two t's in there. The base of the logarithm depends on the type of the material. So log base b, and b is apparently 2 in this problem. So let's fill in all the numbers that we know. We're looking for, apparently, find the time. Find little t. So everything else should be a number. B is 2, M is material, 31. Okay, so log base 2 of 32 is what exponent turns 2 into 32? 5. I'm not even going to bother to multiply these. I'm just going to stuff it all raw into the calculator. Dividing by 5, kilograms with 195-ish seconds. Again, I was always trained to do 3 digits past the decimal point, but you don't need to.